have successfully conducted polling for all the 40 assembly constituencies of state of Goa. Let us start with the total polling total electors. We had 11,64,224 electors, out of which for the first time we had 9 transgender electors. These all were added with the efforts of our electoral registration officer with the help of NGOs. The biggest assembly constituency in terms of electors is Vasco da Gama, which is 35,552. The smallest is the neighboring Mormugao, which is 20,412. In 2017 election, we had 11,10,866 electors. The biggest assembly was Vasco da Gama, 35,601. The smallest was Sant Andre, 20,941. This time we are having 298 service electors, for which we have sent postal ballot through electronic means by way of ETPBS system. We had made extensive efforts for enrollment and tagging of persons with disability, as a result of which we could be able to tag 9,590 PWD electors. We have total 29,797 80 years old and above electors. These two figures are important because for the first time, Election Commission of India has extended the facility of absentee voters. And for these absentee voters, Form 12B was issued through the BLO, and 13,115 postal ballots were issued, and total postal ballot absentee votes casted is 12,546 by these categories of absentee voters. This time we had total 301 candidates, out of which male candidates were 275, female candidates 26. General candidates were 292, SC candidates were 9. Total polling stations we have is 1,722. These were spread across 1,171 polling stations, and this was the first time we had increased the all-women managed polling stations substantially. Earlier we had experimented in 17 election with one all-women managed polling station per AC. This time we had 105. Model polling station we had 40. Divyang polling stations we had 8, and 11 were green polling stations. And this time we had made an attempt to replace all the election materials which were non-biodegradable with biodegradable materials like bamboo beans. You must have seen when you had casted vote. This is one of the major experiments with election management this time in Goa. And moreover, this 11 green polling stations, these were showcasing Goa's natural heritage, Goa's cultural diversity, and these were beautifully decorated with the help of the BLOs, with the AEROs, EROs, and Biodiversity Board officials. In this election, we had total 21 observers, general observers, expenditure observers were 9, police observers were 5. And micro observers were substantially increased from 160 in 2017 to 310. And for the first time we had 2 special observers, one general observer, one special police observer. Polling personnel were 8,610, reserve polling personnel were 1,885, totaling 10,495 polling personnel. Flying squads were 81, static surveillance team were 31. In previous election, these were 21 static surveillance team. This time we had enough deployment of central forces, for which my colleague, the State Police Nodal Officer, will touch upon. We had carried out webcasting from all the 1722 polling stations, and for the first time we had deployed a solution developed by IIT Goa, in which AI-based webcasting was done, in which through computer vision technology, live head count was displayed, and the big screen which is behind you was showing all the polling stations, although right now it is blank. But we could see the head count, the persons were moving, the numbers were decreasing, persons were entering, numbers were increasing. So that way we were effectively able to monitor these kind of polling stations, and these were especially chosen at 100 polling stations. And these 100 polling stations were, green polling station was 1, pink polling station was 28, model polling station was 7, vulnerable locations were 53, Divyang polling stations were 8, and regular were 3. So total at 100 locations, we had successfully carried out this AI-based webcasting system, and we had, you must have seen our social media handles. The sweep strategies was effectively carried out in all corners of Goa. Lot of contests we have organized, which we displayed through our website also and through our social media. And I'm very pleased to inform you that during the last 1 month, our Facebook page interaction was more than 7 lakh. Considering the population of state, it is quite substantial in nature. Similarly, our Instagram page was also more than 3 lakh. And I must say that the content strategy of the CEO Goa and the development strategy through various contests like selfie competition, like slogan making competitions, small film making competitions, Kantaram competition. So we have chosen to represent the diversity of Goa through our sweep strategy also. We had received around 25,000 postcards in Right to CEO contest, which was organized with the help from Postal Department. This time, Suvidha platform of Election Commission of India was used in a big way to give permission. And total permissions given were 2,000, application we received were 2,166, and out of which 1,515 permissions were issued. Similarly, C-Vigil was one of the major tools through which citizens were having the direct power to inform the election machinery about any violations. And we have successfully received and disposed 612 cases, out of which around 60% cases were correct. We had employed L-Traces system by which GPS tracking of all the vehicles were done of those who are carrying EVMs. So even tonight, after this press conference, we'll further be tracking movement of all the EVMs which are in the field. One more solution was developed by IIT Goa, the students particularly, is Voter Dost on Telegram chatbot, and it was quite handy for the voters, by putting their Epic card they could get their polling location through Google link. We have also for internal management developed an interactive booth level election management plan portal through Goa Electronics Limited, in which all election statistics as well as their maps, these were put on the system in the online platform, which helped us in management of our election. And one serious thing happened, which was in the news even yesterday, was violation of Section 126 of RP Act, under which certain social media posts for the first time we escalated, and total 30 individual posts were deleted by different platforms on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter.
Sir, request you to this part.
Pardon?
This part can be repeated, please.
Total, during the silence period, there were certain violations were observed by certain posts on social media in the silence period of 48 hours in violation of Section 126 of RP Act, in which 30 individual posts were deleted because they were violating the silence period guidelines. Another major novel feature of this election was publication of criminal antecedent by political parties and candidates. In this election, after examination of affidavit, we found 80 candidates were having criminal antecedents. Number of the Mandrem and Pedne had 4 candidates each with highest number of criminal antecedents, and Aldona, May and Markai had no candidates with criminal antecedents. And we had vigorously pursued with political parties and candidates. The result is, we had monitored it, it may change, is the publication was done once in 7 cases, twice in 21 cases, thrice in 51 cases, and not at all in 1 case. You know, there is a mandate by Honorable Supreme Court in which all the candidates and their political party, they are supposed to publish the criminal antecedents in newspaper, in TV, thrice during the campaign period. That we had effectively sensitized the political parties during our weekly interaction in the run-up to election, and political parties have published, and even candidates mostly they have complied with the direction. Now I request my colleague IGP sir to dwell upon the seizures as well as on the law and order.
Good evening, friends. So far as elections are concerned, today it was very peaceful elections. Thanks to you, thanks to the general public, and thanks to my force which was deployed on ground. No major incidents were reported. Of course, there were calls of some dispute, minor kind of disputes. 38 calls were received, but no complaint was serious enough to be converted into a crime. Of course, there were 3 FIRs registered which are related to Model Code of Conduct that are separate. That was action by the police as per norms as and when they received an information. To ensure the peaceful conduct of elections, I had been briefing you earlier also. We kept our pressure on all the anti-social elements. We took preventive action against more than 1,700 people in state of Goa. We called history sheeters, bad characters of the police station. Rather, sometimes our PIs visited them and warned them not to indulge into any anti-social activity, and it had a very, very salutary effect. And that's the result that we are having no crime reported of violence in the state of Goa on polling day. For this, I would like to apprise you that we had deployed 55 companies, which included 10 companies of IRBN and 45 companies of CAPF. This is apart from around 5,000 men which are of Goa police and were on ground round the clock. So, due to all these efforts, we were able to achieve the result which is satisfactory today. That's it. That's what I wanted to tell you. Thank you.
Can you tell more on the 3 FIRs?
Yeah, 3 FIRs. One was in Bicholim police station that yesterday night a car was burnt which belonged to a relative of some political party. We got CCTV footage. Will certainly arrest. Investigation is on. And 2 cases were, one in Kollam, whereby flying squad catch hold of a person with cash amounting to rupees 1,19,270. And another was a violation of Model Code of Conduct, that is, a person tried to take photographs of the EVM machine while he casted the vote. So these are 3 FIRs which we have registered. Yeah, it relates to Ponda police station. One Gitesh Nayak was found taking picture of the EVM machine and posted it on social media.
His own vote.
Yes, his own vote. He just pressed it and took the photo. So
Secrecy of voting is paramount.
yes, when he can't do that. After that, it was in the early hours of the day. After that, we ensured that nobody enters the polling station with mobile phones. But that was a learning experience for us. When otherwise we were not that conscious. We are not taking away the mobiles of individual because he's going to cost vote. Why we should?
Sir, about the card vote.
What is the offence registered against this person?
For violation of Model Code of Conduct, I tell you the section.
There is a RP Act provision.
Yes, Representation of People's Act.
It provides that secrecy of voting is paramount. When anybody violates that, then action has to be initiated. Coming.
FIR is 47/22 under 188. I think, Model Code of Conduct. Yes, please.
What's the punishment for that?
But routine, it has to be. I'm yet to get into those details.
So do you have the data for total cash seizure?
Yes, of course. Total cash seizure in Goa is more than 12 crores. 6 crore, 6 lakh 58,000. And one of the biggest chunk was 6 crore 20 lakhs, which we helped Income Tax Department to seize.
Total 12 crores. Total 12.
No, total seizures, including liquor and everything.
No,
That's
no,
around.
cash.
Cash is 6 crore 65 lakhs, you can say. 66 lakhs.
And 6.20 crores.
Pardon?
6.20 crores. What is that?
Out of that, 6.20 crore was seized by income tax at our instance.
At Margam.
Malwa.
This figure includes that also.
Yes, of course.
Then there is liquor and other.
Liquor is 3 crore 57 lakhs.
So total COVID patients were casted votes. 3.57 crore that your liquor has issued. How many cases? Total number?
Cases, volume you want to know. It's what is this figure? What's this BL? No, cost is this.
How many incidents is there?
No, incidents.
Total number of cases. Liquor cases.
Volume you can tell you.
Volume, when see, number of cases, because we have been doing it for the last more than 1 month. So, so far as in liters,
Per liter. It is
bulk liter, yes,
95,445.
yes.
0.617 bulk liter. Here
Bulk
it is
liter.
called in excise
But
language.
it is excise as well as police.
Similarly, gold and silver is
2 lakhs.
2 lakhs. And other narcotics and other drugs is 1.275 crores. So total seizure was 12.72 crores, which is highest so far in comparison to 17 and 19 election. And friends, now coming to the polling figures. So first, what we are giving you is tentative data, because this data is obtained by telephonic calls and SMS and the system, and finalized data is given in the form 17C by when the presiding officer returns back to the reception center. So as per the tentative figure available with us, Goa has achieved 78.94% voting, and highest voting was observed in Sankhli, that is 89.64%. Lowest has been observed so far in Benoli, which is 70.2.
In Sankhli, how much?
89.64. State has achieved the state total, it has been observed at 78.94%, and the highest has been observed in Sankhli at 89.64%, and lowest in Benoli, which is 70.2%. North Goa 79.84%, South Goa 78.15%. And today, the total number of EVM replacement I would come to. Control unit 14 in number, which is 0.81%. Ballot unit is 8 in number, which is 0.46%. VVPAT is 12 in number, which is 1.4%. We must say that our handling of EVM, VVPAT in training and FLC checks and everything has been very to the point, and these figures are very encouraging. Voters have come out in large number. They enjoyed the arrangements made, and also they have reposed the faith in the democracy. And one more thing which all of you should know, that there are large number of officials who are on election duty. They are given postal ballots to cast the vote. That number is also substantial. So this time we are having two types of postal ballot. One is for absentee voter, for which 13,115 have been given, which are 80 plus and person with disability category, and 15,474 as per the latest data is officials who have been issued postal ballots. So these two figures will add later on at the counting time. So safely we can say our voting is going to cross 80%.
The postal
Tentative. When our presiding officers will come back, then we will get the clear data, authenticated data. This is all tentative through telephonic and other medium.
What the polling percentage recorded in 2007?
81.21%. 21%.
1783.
83 was in.
Yeah, 17. 83.28.
Slight decline. What could be the reason when you have taken a lot of initiative?
That voters can tell.
नहीं सर, आपके अभी काफी तरह से प्रयास थे, बावजूद वोटिंग जितना आपका टारगेट था अप्रोक्सीमेटली 85 से भी ज्यादा 90% आपका टारगेट था, तो अभी 80 भी नहीं हुआ, तो क्या कारण लगता है कि
80 तो हमारा क्रॉस हो जाएगा। 80 क्रॉस हो जाएगा बिकॉज कि हमारे में बताया ना पोस्टल बैलेट्स है, वो इस पे काउंट नहीं हो रहा है। हाँ, पोस्टल बैलेट आएगा तो फिर आपका फाइनल फिगर बनेगा। That will get to know only during the counting day, because postal ballots, particularly for the poll officials and ETPPS, these will be received up to 8 AM of counting day.
नहीं, बावजूद जो लास्ट ईयर हुआ था, लास्ट टाइम हुआ था, उसके से भी कम है।
हाँ, उससे थोड़ा सा कम है।
2012 में 82.94 था और 17 में 82.56 था।
82.56।
सर एक बार इम्पोर्टेंट जो फिगर्स है वो हिंदी में हाईलाइट बता अगर आप
जी
थोड़ा सा अच्छा हो।
जी, तो गोवा में जो पोलिंग परसेंटेज है, मतदान का प्रतिशत अभी जो हमने ऑब्जर्व किया है, ये टेंटेटिव फिगर है, अभी फाइनल होने में टाइम है। ये 78.94% है, 78.94%, और सबसे ज्यादा साखली में हमने देखा है 89.64%, सबसे कम बेनौली में 70.2%। और हमारा जो ईवीएम रिप्लेसमेंट का जो फिगर है, कंट्रोल यूनिट 14 रिप्लेस हुए हैं, विच इज 0.81%, बैलेट यूनिट 8 रिप्लेस हुए हैं जो कि 0.46% है, वीवीपैट 21 रिप्लेस हुए हैं जो कि 1.4% है, और जो सीजर है ये भी महत्वपूर्ण फिगर रखता है। जो कैश नकद राशि जिसको बोलते हैं, इसका सीजर 6.658 करोड़ है। लीकर यानी शराब, इसकी कुल जो कीमत है 3.573 करोड़ है। प्रीशियस मेटल्स गोल्ड सिल्वर 2 लाख रुपए के हैं। ड्रग्स सीजर 1.275 करोड़ है। इसकी कुल वैल्यू है 12.72 करोड़। नॉर्थ गोवा का जो वोटिंग ऑब्जर्व हुआ है वो है 79.84%। साउथ गोवा का 78.15%।
सर कितना कोविड पॉजिटिव पेशेंट ने आज वोटिंग किया है?
उसका फिगर अभी हम फिगर इज अवेटेड। For every assembly there is one strong room and these are located at North Goa for North, South Goa for South. It is at Polytechnic in North Goa and the other college in South Goa. Total of EVM is equal to total number of polling stations 1722. Replacement figure already I gave you.
EVM will be stored at Polytechnic.
Polytechnic, yes.
Accounting
Continuous witness there only. In same campus,
and South Goa will be done.
Namodar College, yes.
Low polling percentage.
I think in such a situation it is still.
BLOs you say have not taken any effort.
No, they have taken efforts.
Valiant and
If you compare with today, polling were held in Goa, Uttar Pradesh and Uttarakhand.
Goa is highest.
Goa is highest. Our BLOs, I am telling you, they have worked very hard for the last 4-5 months. Personally, I have been interacting with many of them. They have corrected the data, they have absentee voters, they were the instrumental person in that. They distributed photo voter slip to everyone. So that way our entire machinery has worked very hard for the last 4 months. And I must congratulate them for conducting election in such a time in which people were looking up to and then new challenges were there. And the figure is still very heartening.
Sir,
I must
did
say.
you receive any complaint regarding deleting of names with person who are absent?
No, nothing has come like that.
Because the Congress has alleged that one complaint has been filed because the person was there and her name was not there on the roll.
No. Those were long back. It has come, so that has been already redressed. Not during election period. These all were in the sub-revision period, and these all have been addressed.
Sir, have you received
सर आपके पास कुछ कंप्लेंट आई थी जो स्टिंग ऑपरेशन के बारे में थे।
हाँ।
तो उसका क्या रिजल्ट है, क्या है एग्जैक्टली?
उसके बारे में मैंने बताया ना कि उस पे हमने जो सोशल मीडिया पोस्ट थे तो 30 पोस्ट हमने डिलीट करवाए हैं। आप उसके लिंक को क्लिक करेंगे तो पोस्ट आपको दिखेंगे नहीं। देखिए साइलेंस पीरियड इज साइलेंस पीरियड, यू कांट डू एनी इलेक्शन रिलेटेड वर्क। तो उसमें हमने वायलेशन जहां नोटिस किया, हमारे पास जो कंप्लेंट आया उस पर हमने कार्रवाई की उस पर। और साथ ही साथ इस पे हमने जो डिस्ट्रिक्ट इलेक्शन ऑफिसर नॉर्थ गोवा है उनको हमने कार्रवाई करने के लिए निर्देश दिया है, जिसमें FIR रजिस्टर हो रहा है।
Sir, did you receive any complaints from that voters were not allowed despite standing in a queue
No.
in some places?
No, because the laws are very clear, and in fact, in the evening itself we have posted on social media because we were monitoring through webcasting. There were queues even at 6 o'clock. So then they are having all the right to vote. Their numbered slips are given to all the voters standing in the queue. Presiding officers are aware of all this information, and in fact, like we also popularize through our social media handles.
So we'll cross-check figures once again. Total voter is who have cast their vote 11,57,000.
The total voters as electors as on date is 11,64,224.
Were there any complaints of violation of COVID protocols during political rallies or anything?
Yes, we had registered FIRs during that period. More than 70 FIRs have been registered. 70. They are all related to MCC violations, COVID violations. So we have been very strict in monitoring and taking action against those.
So these 70 complaints were about COVID violations.
These were violations of all types during model code of conduct period. Yes. 74 rather. There are total 74 cases of violations were registered during the campaign period, and majorly were basically COVID violations. Absentee voters total vote cast were 12,546. They are already in our postal ballot category.
Out of 15,000.
There was a complaint of cash distribution from the AAP candidate in Naveli. Was the complaint formally registered?
What?
Of cash distribution in the Naveli constituency, South Goa.
Yes.
Was the complaint formally registered in that case?
Cash distribution of, you are talking about recovery or? No. At that time when the complaint was received and police and flying squad reached, there was nobody. See, we keep getting complaints here and there, but there has to be a substance in that complaint.
So putting the same light, I think he's talking about a channel who got the video of the 3 Congress or 1 TMC, if something like, because
So
the
CEO has already responded to that.
Okay.
Yeah, because it was during silence period.
Okay.
They did it. It is a violation.
So the
That media
the case
even
has been registered?
Yes. In Panji police station we have registered a case.
So the turnout of
Postal ballot has informed you that absentee voters, there were 12,546 already casted, and that casting period is over. Now, poll officials who are on duty, their postal ballots and service voter postal ballots, these can come up to morning of 10th March. The total postal ballot issued is 15,474. No, these are for, that is ETPBS is separate, and this is for poll officials on duty.
So this complaint that you received serious nature of legal this complaint that you had received during the campaigning period against all the MCC and all, were they frivolous or were they serious in nature? And how many have been dismissed?
How you define frivolous and serious? The thing is that, see, our all channels were open by email, by phone call, by C-visit. As I said, total 74 cases of violations were registered as proper case. Somewhere just administrative actions were taken. It depends on the nature and the options available, the actions have been taken. And some are under investigation. Suppose wherever cases have been registered, investigation is underway. Wherever like it's only required administrative measure, that those measures have been taken. So that way we had ensured that perfect level playing field is maintained during the campaign period, and people should vote in a free, fair and peaceful manner without any fear or favor. Thank you.
I would like to add a thing that just now I have been updated that there are 5 cases. Instead of 3, there are 5 cases. One in Porogram police station and another is in Old Goa. Related to model code of conduct and poll related cases.
Could also you said 9 transgender voters were actually voted.
That I'm also awaiting that figure. I'm also eagerly looking that they all should have participated. My wish is that they must have participated. And I was like witnessing someone's interview even in the radio.
Yeah, one is participating.
See, earlier we used to have normal webcasting that you put a camera and you monitor yourself. That system was there, and this time through IIT Goa there is a technological computer vision in which like through algorithm it defines certain like phenomena. So we tried for the first time, an IIT Professor Sharad Sinha and his students, they designed the system and then we implemented it during the elections today. So at 100 places this system was put in place, and it was very heartening to see that it was working fantastically. It was showing live, and we were really, let me tell you, apprehensive because it requires data, stable data, and then cloud-based computing, then running the algorithm, and then displaying the result on the same camera, on the same footage. So that we have developed and that we have displayed successfully. I would say it's a pilot kind of thing we have done, and we will be making a case study for Election Commission of India. And these are fantastic technology. We must use it for public safety purposes even.
कुणाल सर आपने एक यस स्टोरी SWP के इनके बारे में भी आपने ट्राई किया था, 6 वर्कर.
Yes. 41 sex workers had been registered, but for confidentiality's sake, like we are not making it public which locations, and
the casting vote?
Same thing I would say that like we are not monitoring that intrusively, but yes. We are election, and this voting process is definitely a very major tool for empowerment, and I am very proud of my team that this time these two very vulnerable sections of society which are normally neglected and not treated, I would say, in a good manner, we have been able to convince them to enroll, and they have trusted us, and they have enrolled finally as a transgenders and sex workers as a normal citizen.
Sir, department regularizes these sex workers.
But see, it is for the government to take a call on it. It's not the police. We are here as law enforcement. Whatever the government makes a law, we enforce that. Simple as that.
Fifth case.
Fifth, एक old Goa, एक poor Goa.
Mr. Banav, do you think that Goa state is always celebrating celebration to the Valentine Day? Because of that, you think the percentage is down?
You are asking this thing to the wrong person.
Thank you, sir.